Welcome everyone back to Mr. Now Weather Updates. And today we're going to have a look at the radar first, have a look at the precipitation today, and then the UKV, the longer range, and then the GFS, as we're going to have a look at the longer range on what the temperatures and weather's going to be like in the next few weeks, as there are signs of fresher and cooler air to come for later next week. For now, at least in quantity to the GFS. But if we have a look at for now, there are still some rain lingering about, as you can see in the Midlands, bits of here as well, just coming out into the northeast. Hopefully this should dissipate into the, at least dissipate into the North Sea or just go, with some lingering showers in the north of Scotland. And if we have a look at the temperatures, again, quite a fresh night for many of us, especially northern Scotland. And then we'll see most of that hot air, obviously, build up into the, if it is warm air, I don't know why I said hot, most of the warm air in the southeast as always, so only be like 20 degrees to 19, so a little bit cooler in fact, but obviously, which will be the average for September for now, as we're getting a little bit more weaker sun obviously in September. Now have a look at the long range precipitation. We can see from going into today, more into the morning. Sorry, there are still some lingering showers that will move east for now into like the Midlands, and then it will move east into areas of eastern England, and then there will be some showers in northern Scotland, maybe pushing out into the north. Otherwise, not too bad. Maybe a few lingering cloud. Otherwise, some areas might see the sun peeking out. And then on to Wednesday, again, similar story really. A few scattered showers to come out with peaks of sunshine. So a few showers and sunshine, mostly in the north, but it will be scattering in many areas, as you can see from the UKV. As there are still more showers bubbling up into the southeast. And in fact, that could actually turn thundery. I can see some, possibly, yeah, it could be actually. And then that's going to move into the Wales. And we're also going to see another band of rain into northern England for Thursday morning. And then into another band of rain into southeast of England. And then on to Friday, a lot better. It looks like I'm going to have quite a nice day on Friday. Maybe the odd lingering drizzle shower out, but when it gets to midday, very clear for a short while. Otherwise, there is a small weather front pushing in from the south, possibly thundery, but then it won't last long at all. And then to Friday, again, similar story really. A few cloud around, but most of the showers would be in the north. In the southeast, west, with possibly heavy showers possible. And looking on to Sunday, still got a bit of cloud around. This precipitation may come up to the UK. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see what happens. Now have a look at the temperatures and see what the temperatures are for today. So you can see here quite a scattered 20 degrees here for many. You might get 21 in the Far East. Otherwise, we're kind of seeing a mix up of temperatures. I see some mid to high teens in some areas, then some mid to high teens to 20 in northern England as well. So a little bit of a temperature contrast, as you can see here. And then on to Wednesday, again, I think it's a little bit cooler in fact. Mid to high teens, maybe some areas might reach 20, depending how long the sun's going to be there. Mid to low teens in Scotland, so a lot cooler on Wednesday indeed. And then on to Thursday, you can see here, again, we might reach a 21 in the Far East, but otherwise, most areas will see mid to maybe even just mid-teens, as you can see, like mid-south, and some in northern England. We might see low teens in northern England for September. However, for Scotland, it's a little bit warmer, in fact. I can see a 19, so mid to high teens for Scotland in some areas. So, turning a bit warmer for Scotland for now. And then it's on Friday where that warm weather does hit into Scotland, and we get a little bit of a warmer spell. Mid to high teens. Sorry, mid to high 20s in the south. 25 quite a widespread 25 in the south actually, to 26 is possible. And then mid to high teens to 20 in the north. We could definitely reach out to 22 in the north though. And then into Scotland, it is actually quite warm. We might see mid to high teens and peak up to 20 to 21. So quite warm for Scotland for a change. And then on to Saturday again, getting another warm day to come. 24 to 25 is possible, maybe isolated 26 or 27. Otherwise, quite a warm day with mid to high teens to 20 in the north, and then again mid to high teens to 20 in the south in Scotland. And that is the temperatures for nighttime on Sunday. Now having a look at the long range on the GFS, we can see we're in an area of a bit of a low pressure system, especially in the north, giving us make way for showers and more cloud. But some areas might see some sunny spells, obviously. But showers are possible for today. And then on to Wednesday, a similar story. Showers and the odd cloud is possible, as we're in an area of lowish pressure as well. And on to Thursday, we have got a little bit of a widger of a higher pressure, especially to the north, in fact. As you can see, that's why they're getting a bit more warmer weather for the rest of the week. And that's going to continue into Friday for the north, giving us nice and warm weather for Scotland. Otherwise, it will be also a bit more rainier in the south, and maybe a bit cooler in the south as well than the north in Scotland. Continue on to Friday, maybe a little bit weaker on Saturday, and then that's going to push out into another area of lowish pressure with more showers and rain possible. And that's, you can see some yellows, meaning indicating we're in a bit of a low pressure system, giving us more showers and rain possible with more cloud. And that is on for Monday as well. And then we can see here we are in a dip for in low pressure system, especially to the north of Scotland. And we can see much lighter colours, indicating we may see a little bit more cooler weather, as we can see in the GFS models. And it looks like we're also in for the 12th of September. It does look like we're in a bit of an unsettled area as well. Maybe the south, very far south, in areas may see some high pressure, but some areas can't rule out a possible shower if there is a cold spell, of course. Now, if I could look at the long range precipitation, the temperature going on to Monday. This is the longer range. I'm just going to go over here from Sunday. We can see here staying a bit average, 22 to 23 on Monday, next Monday. Again, on Tuesday as well, 22. But I'm going to go all the way up to September, the 12th, as we're going to see a lot cooler weather, a lot cooler and fresher September conditions. We can see for Thursday, our maximum temperatures possibly just going to get to 17, and that's it. So a bit below average even for September, because the average is 19. Not areas are even getting to 19, so it's a bit more. It's a lot fresher for next week on Thursday the 12th, with cooler temperatures as well. Now, if I have a look at the Now I'm going to have a look at the temperatures and the pressure. We can see here what the area we're in a little bit of a green area, so a lot cooler for a bit for this week. And then a bit of a hotter spell, so a warm spell coming in from the east, from the continent, as you can see from that graph. But I'm going to go all the way back into next week. We can see here, there is a system pushing in from here, giving it looks like a lot cooler air to come in. And that's it's a very slow moving system. That's gonna slowly push in, firstly into Scotland, obviously, and then move in further south into England, in the light blue area, giving it a lot cooler. So this indicates cooler weather to come, and maybe below average days. Something to look out for as well. So we might see areas getting a lot cooler onto next Thursday, especially for September. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.